like to thank you all for your presence here today. And for all those who were able to pay their last respect during the short 3-day wake we had. To everyone who sent flowers, food, messages of sympathies, run errands for us, and were present to comfort us in this very difficult situation. Our sister Jeanette Myra, which we fondly call Ned, and others called her Ducky when she was still in the PNP. Ned, coach for the Usada family, Netra for our neighbors, Myra, I think for her grade school classmates, Jeanette at one point in time, and lately she was called JL. She has been diagnosed with colon cancer stage 4 last December 4, 2025. It was like the official start of her battle with cancer. As a family, we knew we were all in this battle together. But it was a pleasant and heartwarming realization for us to witness the outpouring of love and support, not only from our relatives and friends, but also from a lot of NetNet's different circle of friends. So I would like to especially mention, first, her special group of high school friends, the Bernabé. So let me try to name them. Dog Baby, Heidi, Eda, Rhea, A for Alice, Santillan, Mayet, Mia, Madeline, one M, and the last one is Elsa. Sorry for the little one M. Who were always like constantly present. Especially Dog Baby and Rhea, who were always visiting NetNet in our farmhouse in Gumalinao. Also, SCC Batch 89, who were also constant visitors of NetNet. The pilot elementary classmates, Julie Pinalayo, also went to Gumalinao to visit NetNet. The Pagadian Chamber of Commerce in Pagadian, Hazel Wu, and Ma'am Marlene Sugi, who were frequent visitors in the hospital in Quatro. The Zapta, or the Zamboanga, like trade with Dr. Carlosita Saniel. The Eagles, who also offered a tribute last night for NetNet. Her Bible study group, Jean Ortiz, was NetNet's like personal companion, accompanying her with her daily journal. The Bishop Palace Group, our Mother Perpetual Health, Choir
Leo,
who are
I'll
the
keep
NetNet's friends
Jeanette
who always
my
run errands for her, especially NetNet needs.
I'll keep
Her family of Zillion, who are also constant visitors. Her Usana family, Rolly and his wife were among the first ones to be in our house in the farm when NetNet left last Sunday. And the Manilife, Sir Rans, who also visited NetNet. You were all her frequent visitors when she was hospitalized 3 times and visited her in the farm in Malinao, where she stayed for the last 6 months. NetNet was a recipient of so much attention, love, and support. Your presence was a source of strength, not only for her, but for us as a family. And you generously shared your time in financial assistance, and most especially through prayers for NetNet's healing and recovery. Our family gained a bigger network of friends. NetNet's friends became our friends. And so we had a stronger network of prayers, all rooting for NetNet's healing. But sadly, in the end, anointing of the sick before she finally left last Sunday. Netnet's ordeal was a beautiful opportunity for her own healing as a family too. So we have like a reconciliation and healing within the family. I would like to thank all the doctors who have been part of Netnet's journey. The Hamilton Hospital, who have afforded us so much favor and consideration. The J. Tabao Hospital for being so welcoming and considerate of Netnet's needs, even if it meant quite a distance with the doctors driving to the farm to attend Netnet. Our special thanks to all our relatives and friends who have been supporting us and praying for us always. I would like to especially mention my cousin, Manu Felix, and also Diana Daliga, who was like our personal coach for her diet. To the Cabajo siblings, Patrick, who was like very supportive in giving Netnet holy water from Lourdes, Joey, Martin, Sandra, who was always calling Lola Press just to check on her, Sister Cecil, our #1 prayer warrior, Joel, and Rona, who moved heaven and earth just to find the vein of Netnet para matawag niyang lectures for the last time. And especially Dr. Liz Tabao Parangan, who took a significant role in putting everything in place for Netnet's vacant funeral. Pag-abot naman from Tango bringing the urn, we just have to put the urn because Lisa prepared everything. Tanan was already in place. And she's not just like the doctor, but also a spiritual companion for Netnet because she arranged most of Netnet's confession. To all our prayer warriors, Sister Marge, of course Sister Cecil, and also very special from the Alliance Church, Nonoy and Marilyn Perocho. They had a small group who visited Netnet almost every Saturday. So my friends, why are we here today? Surely because we loved, respected, and valued Netnet for her goodness and embraced her imperfections as well. Netnet may have not found out